Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 1-269-3073 replacement rubber tip pack of 6. When you buy one, we're going to ship you a package of 6. And this is for their 324W light duty wall bumper. The 324 is a W, a wall bumper that would be really residential in nature. And this video is to bring you a closer look at the visual and dimensional properties of the replacement rubber tip. It's not unusual to, it's quite common to order replacement rubber tips. This doesn't feel like the typical sort of vinyl that they're usually made of. It's a bit softer. It even, I don't know what this base material is. They call it rubber. That could, that's the most generic term in the world, so I don't know what this is made of, but it does look a little bit like it's silicone, is what it is. The point I'm trying to drive at is it seems a bit more resilient, softer yet more durable, hopefully less prone to cracking and fatiguing with just general exposure to daylight. Because if there's daylight, there's ultraviolet, especially here in Florida, where you will get a suntan on a cloudy day. Dimensional properties, let's go over it. Overall thickness of the item, 0.433 overall thick. The inside diameter of where you're going to pinch it over the nub on the outside of the 324. That inside diameter, I'm not going to be able to tell you what it is inside of that. I just don't have the right tool. I would say that we're dealing with about 0.28 inch. 0.28 inch on the inside. And I can tell you the depth of what that prep would be. I would say that you're going to be 0.295 from here down to the base inside of there. The bottom line is this. This is an incredibly generic design. If you have a wall stop by anyone whose looks like the Hager 324W, I am beyond sure. I'm extremely reasonably sure it's going to fit on there. Why would you need a rubber tip? They do fatigue, they do fail. They get knocked off by the vacuum cleaner. The cats and dogs like to play with them and knock them off, and they should really be discouraged from that. They can get down the throat of a dog or a cat, but you do see them getting chewed on, is what you see. And they just get lost, kicked around over time is the bottom line. And they do fatigue with enough use and just general exposure to the environment. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Hager? This is their part number 1-269-3073 replacement rubber package of doorstops for the 324W or any other Hager product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.